As I told you, this Santosh Yadav was born in Haryana in a very small village, but to Santosh, as the meaning comes, it means contentment. Actually, she was not happy with the traditional ways of life. She always wanted, she preferred shorts. She used to wear shorts, where in her village, girls even used to wear. So, okay. So she decided to lead her life in her own ways, not thinking about what others would say. Okay? Therefore, she decided to live her life in her own ways. She says, from very beginning I was quite determined that if I had chose to correct and rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. When someone believes firmly that he had or she had chosen the correct path, others have to change. Yes. So Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi, which was quite close by. But in line with the prevailing customs in the family, Santosh had to make do with the local village school. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. And the right moment came when she turned 16. At 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married. See how was the condition. Santosh was also under pressure from her parents to do the same. See, the girls in the village were about to get married when they come up to 16, and the same pressure was there on her to get married. Her parents were rich enough, they could send her to study even to Delhi in good schools, but it could not be there. It was not done. Actually, the girls education for girls is considered or is given very low status in Haryana, and especially the villages. Though her parents could afford her expenditure, but they did not allow her to go out of the village. Even at the age of 16, she got the pressure to get married. A marriage as early as that was the last thing on her mind. She threatened her parents that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. She left her home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. When her parents refused to pay for the education, she politely informed them of her plans to earn money by working part-time to pay her school fee. Her parents then agreed to pay for her education. So Santosh firmly denied that she would not get married at such an early age, and she even threatened her parents that if they do not arrange for her education, she would herself go. So therefore, she left the home. She left her home and uh, enrolled herself in a school in Delhi. Then her parents refused to pay for the fee. Then they were actually, she asked them that she would work part time to pay for her fee. And for that, actually, her firm determination was there, and therefore it helped her a lot. wishing always to study a bit more, and with her father slowly getting used to urge her for more education, Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Santosh remembers Kasturba Hostel faced the Aravali Hills. I used to watch villagers from my room going up the hills and suddenly vanishing after a while. One day I decided to check it out myself. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. I asked if I could join them. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climb. Now it was a turning point in her life. She wanted to do a bit more, thoda zyada. And it helped her a lot. Where after completing her high school examination, she went to Jaipur and joined Maharani College. You might have heard this name of college. And she got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Here she remembers that on Aravali Hills, she used to see villagers going up the hills. Actually, these Aravali Hills present a beautiful scenario before us. And she watched that some villagers were going up the hills, then they vanished in a moment. Then she reached there suddenly. She decided to check that who were those villagers. She reached there and she found that those were the actually mountaineers. Fine. And she requested them if they could.
मैम
Yes.
मैम SST की लिंक आ गई मैम
अच्छा,
SST की लिंक आ गई मैम
मैम
okay.
सोशल की लिंक
40. Fine. We shall continue with the lesson tomorrow. So read the lesson. Fine.
yes मैम
यस